You left the porch light burning low, said you'd be back before the snow. But winter came and stayed too long. Now every silence feels like wrong. I kept the boots you used to wear. They lean like memories on a chair. And in the dust beneath the frame, I whisper softly just your name. I still walk with half the light. Since you stepped into the night, the room still holds your quiet way, the way you blinked before